Alright, you guys, we're at this huge sinkhole today. Word has it, there is a 280 to 300 foot pit in here with a massive waterfall. So let's get into it and see what it's got. We're going in.
Hey, we brought short.
I believe we're just free climbing down it.
Short rope. Yeah, like you could.
Yeah. Let's see how it's going.
Sick. He said, never mind.
Don't get your hopes up too high. It's the never-ending story.
Okay. Here's where it gets dicey.
Yo.
Oh yeah, they're right behind us.
Holy cow. What?
It's a little drop, isn't it?
Yeah. Are you gonna be able to get this bag?
Yeah.
Okay. Getting up with all this is gonna be amazing.
Oh
Yeah.
Just so they know.
Alex, Ryan, James. There's a crack back here you gotta crawl into. Right, so this passage is gonna end, and there's a crack in the floor. You gotta go down the crack in the floor.
On the left side.
On the left side.
Now, I'm gonna push it this way.
Alright. We're at another crossroads, Jacob.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna look under the bottom, Edward.
Okay. Oh, this side goes. This is it.
Oh my lord.
What?
There's a room right here.
Oh.
And I hear water in it.
No way.
Woo! Do you hear that echo?
Yeah, I did.
I think this is the stream.
Oh, snap.
Rock,
Wait,
paper,
there's a rock
scissors,
farm
shoot.
built right here. Hey, there's a rock farm built right here.
Oh.
Hey.
So I guess my fate is to see as a test rat. Because, going to examine this passageway. It is a small stream. Oh yeah, 100% a small stream.
Hey, here comes the rope.
Okay.
No, not yet.
Let the rope down. Okay, good.
I'm thinking about this is gonna suck.
I think next time, like, I'll just take my own bag. Probably speed things along if, like, I at least take one bag.
Oh no. Dude, it goes for a long way down here. Y'all coming?
Sheesh.
Right?
Nice and low, James. Nice and low, huh?
Yeah, wet and gravelly.
Yeah.
It gets a little better.
Not much.
I guess I'm trying to keep this bag wet. I don't really know.
Holy cow. What?
Can you kind of hand it to me? We're trying to keep it wet, I guess.
Keep it wet?
Keep it dry.
You got plenty of B-roll footage of me throwing bag in front of me.
Yeah.
They want it?
quick.
Do what?
This one. Okay.
So you're in that room?
Oh, okay, I just want you.
Yeah. Oh my Lord. He wants to go back to the truck.
Well, I have to keep my pocket.
Hanging out with that guy out there.
Yeah, he'll never do it. I didn't know he'll never actually find it.
No,
Things are so low, yeah. Yeah, he has to come over here and have a seat. He wants to get him tomorrow. Is he within earshot of you? One down? Oh, we're gonna have to fix that rope, man. The rope bring the rope over here where it widens out.
Dude, this paper is just as well.
We were pushing on. It's opened up a little bit. And my boot is full of water. My boots are full of water.
Dude, this water is so cold. Oh, wow, it's so
Uh-oh.
Can you hear any water down there?
Hey, you're not using your wetsuit?
Nah. Oh, wow.
Out of my pocket. Yeah, might
Probably be a good idea.
bad idea.
What do you think? You watching? Yeah. Already knee deep.
I was like, why not go much?
Edward, are you wearing your wetsuit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Does that water feel cold on y'all?
Yeah, pretty good. It drops down a lot in certain spots.
Oh boy. Whoops. Well, yeah, you are. Alright. Get it into the water.
What do you think? No, no?
I mean, I'm gonna do it. I'm not happy about it, but.
No, that looks terrible. He's alright, you guys. They are pushing on. James stayed way back there where I left my bag because he is wanting to turn back. And I mean, I want to continue on, but it's getting late in the day and I'm not gonna leave James till I try to get out of this place on his own with all his gear. So I'm gonna turn back and help him get out. Okay. Alright. Let's get back in this freezing cold water. Oh, that was instant, like, deep as crap. Oh, did you see that? That was like a white crawdad. What the heck? Honestly, don't know what that was. I just seen a white tubular looking body. That was wild though. Let's get back to James so we can help him get out of here. No caver left behind. Jeez. Oh my lord, that looks terrible. Oh. Oh. Gosh. I'm coming. Oh man. Let me just show y'all what we're working with here. Okay. This is terrible. James, this is terrible. It's so tight. I'm literally squeezed side to side right now. You guys, this is absolutely terrible. Dude, what is this maneuver?
Alright, this part I'm not.
Once you get through it, I'll pass the bag to you.
It's like a really slimy, wet, gravelly crawl. It's pretty bad.
Yep.
Oh, I guess I gotta tend it then.
Is deep. Oh, there's a white crawfish right here.
Crawfish.
No way. There's a white crawfish right there. That's crazy. He's moving. Oh, it just continues and looks terrible. Look at him.
Oh boy.
There he goes. Swimming down.
Alright, I'm through.
Alright, I'm coming. Getting up into another crawl here. Let's do it. Let's get through this thing. Get through it and get up out of here. This sucks. This absolutely sucks. Oh my lord, dude. This absolutely sucks. Jesus. Oh. Oh my lord.
How are they gonna get out?
That's a great question. Get up in here. Alright, James.
You ready to get in?
Yeah. You're good to go ahead and come on. Alright, I made it up the climb and here comes James. Bring it on, man.
Yep.
Yes, sir. I see daylight. Alright, we have made it up from that treacherous crawl. We got James right here. We're back at the rope at the entrance. I am about to start climbing back up out of here. Okay. Sheesh.
Making it.
Yeah. Going foot there. Oh. Alright, you guys, me and James have made it up out of that cave. Edward, Alex, Ryan, and Jacob are still pushing it to see if they can make it to the big rappel. I'll have their channels linked down below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.